Yeah, very intelligent, isn't it?
I've been feeding mine for about 10 years now.
Oh.
They don't forget you.
Hello, what you are seeing here is two magpies, possibly the mother and the baby. The baby is the light color one, and listen to the music. Oh
That's
boy.
probably if he's very white behind his collar, he's a male.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, because when it's the female, they're a bit more grey on the back of their neck.
Oh, so there are two of them there, isn't it?
Yeah, this one's the one baby and an adult. And
Oh, the baby is the one that's sitting front, the black one.
no, the baby's the grey one.
Oh, the baby is the
Yes.
grey one.
Yeah, and I think that's the male in front because he's very white behind his neck.
Oh, okay. Oh,
Yeah.
so the baby is the male one.
The baby's the one at the grey
Oh, okay. This one is the
father.
father.
Yes.
Okay, yeah, good
Yeah.
father. Oh,
Mother.
yeah.
Yeah, they actually very good with their babies more than the mother after that.
Yeah,
they born.
I like to have a father like that. In fact, I did. So that's a very, very friendly.
Yes.
You can see listen to the music they are
Yeah.
making,
Yeah.
and they are very calm, very friendly, and they are not scared by us. Only I'm scared of them a little bit. And oh yes.
I better go in because I've got my appointment.
Yeah, that's a grey one. The grey ones are the baby, and the father is looking after it. So very, very, oh, look at the beauty of the baby. And the father is making sure that the baby is looked after very well.